Folks, South Shore Marine's got live shrimp here, folks. Live shrimp. Pablo sent me to try to get some. South Shore Marine, folks. Got all the live shrimp you want. Better get here early though. They're gonna run out. That's my rod for the day right there. 23-foot sea chaser. There's Pablo down there getting ready. Alright folks, they're still lined up on the highway over there. So, big old wide boat, folks. 23-foot sea chaser. Boat's 25, 30 years old, I guess. And backing them down two at a time. South Shore Harbor's got live shrimp. Folks, got a little bit of fog today. Don't right know where we at. We're gonna run right into the fog here. We're gonna get it hooked up. So I guess we're gonna be flying along here. Blind, no radar. All gets thick. Thick. Alright folks, we got a cormorant right there. We got a loon right there. And we have a pelican over here. So we got all the birds that dive. A cormorant, a loon, 3 cormorants, and then a pelican. We're over here at the wall. Pablo's top secret spot. Still foggy. Kind of hesitant about going anywhere. Hi, Pablo. Drum. Pablo, we call it drum. 2 flounders and a speckled trout, folks. He's on fire up there with shrimps. You gotta have shrimps. Folks, we're moving, going back into Mr. Go now. Just like the falls, we got the birds landlocked too. Popo, I don't think that'll make it either. Huh? Pablo got another one, folks.
12. Less than 12.
T-Dot got one, folks.
Oh, that might be a keeper.
I don't think so, but we'll measure it.
That might be a keeper, see that?
Y'all better step it. Wow, folks. That's a good 6 inches, 7 incher. T-Dot paid attention to the sliding corks. He's got 3 rods rigged up with sliding corks. He's even got the right cork, the one that Chris talked about. He's going to bring a bopper stopper to the next meeting that T-Dot uses. He said it works real well. As he got one back that he's fishing with. Alright folks, T-Dot got him a flounder over there. That's number 3. Number 3 flounder. Alright folks, we moved over to Pablo's other spot. Still no action. 7 trout, 3 flounders, 1 drum. Nice little spot here, isn't it? Layborn. Fishing with corks and live shrimp. See a bird over there feeding along the shoreline. Like seeing stuff like that. Hey folks, Bobby finally got him his redfish. We were getting ready to leave. He popped it one more time and he went under.
Where'd you get it?
You lost him, Pop?
Yeah.
Oh man. Mamma mia. Hook come untied. Uh-oh.
There's a hook.
All right, folks. Papa got him one. Papa got him one. He ain't gonna lose this one.
You need a net?
Yeah. It's a small.
You need a net?
No, it's not. Look,
Red.
little rat red. Whoop, 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 whoop. All right, folks. That lure's down about 2 foot. You can see that lure down there. Boy, it's pretty. I'd give that a 6+. Very, very pretty. TD's got a fish and a bird's nest, folks. We just get ready to leave. So they're going back to the wall, to the post. How more, T? Get him in, T. Come on, T. Get him in, T. All right. Whoa. Whoa. Boom. Might. He got another, folks. He's using that sliding cork method here that Chris Como told us about at the Team JoJo fishing session. Oh.
We need a net. We got a redfish.
Ready when you are, Captain.
Not when I'm ready.
Backup fish is ready. I'm ready.
It is a catfish.
He got caught a baby shark. Back to the wall. 3 boats over there. There's gotta be 75 boats out there. Gotta be. Got a few boats here at the guillotine locks. The water's pouring in, folks. Water is pouring in. Oh, pouring in, falling, I guess, if I want to say it's falling. Whoa, another flounder. That's 4 flounders. Whoa. He catching everything. He got him a needlefish.
Everything.
Holy mackerel. All we need now is a croak and we got everything. Alright folks, it's 12:48. We're calling it, picking everything up and get ready to go.
This is a Stanley.
We're going to run back to the ICW and head over to South Shore. The guy over there intrigues me. He's on the other side of the rocks fishing the shoreline. I hadn't seen him catch anything yet, but should catch some bass up in there, for sure. Looks like there's a little cut coming through right here, too. There's the pilot, folks, right there. Good spot. He's set up right on the rocks, on top of the rocks. Tide's pouring out of here. Water water's up. They said it's down. It's up. You used to be able to see the rocks right there. Can't see the rocks now. On our way to South Shore Marina, folks. Take this little canal, take a right up here, it brings you right into South Shore Marina. Right off the Chef Pass. That goes all the way back to a levee. We used to go all the way back there. Pull the boat over the levee, go through another canal, pull it over that levee, and go fish back up in there. A lot of bass and perch. Great fishing up there. I'm sure it's inundated with alligators now. So that's South Shore Marina right here, folks. And they had live shrimps. They had live shrimps. 40 cents a piece. Live shrimps. Alright, folks, they had a whole bunch of boats launched out here. They're all over there, plus they're all over the highway up in there. Alright, folks, Pablo got him one. Pablo got him one. He ain't gonna lose this one.
You need a net?
It's a small.
You need a red?
No, it's not.
Red.
A little rat red. Whoop, 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 whoop. See, he's got a fish and a bird's nest, folks. We just get ready to leave. So they're going back to the wall, to the post. How more, T? Get him in, T. Come on, T. Get him in, T. All right. Whoa. Whoa. Boom. Might. Whoa, another flounder. That's 4 flounders.